With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay.
Hi, welcome back to Grace and Reason. My name is Christine, and I thought I would go ahead and do this unboxing for the 24 Days of Beauty. Who's ready to have some fun? So again, there's this. It's an advent calendar of beauty and tools. For we'll see. The story. I first started buying these last year. My husband bought me one, and I opened one every day. And it was just what was I going to get next? And I purchased a really big one for my sister um, for Christmas because I wanted her to be special and to have a gift each day instead of just one gift. And the funny part of it is when she does like a clean out of all of her beauty products, nail polishes, all this kind of stuff, like once a year. And so she usually sends them over my way. And it was funny because I received a box of stuff that she had cleaned out, and it had a huge baggie in it. And I looked in the baggie, and it was the majority of stuff that she received inside the advent calendar. So she wasn't too impressed. I hold no high hopes because do you get what you pay? Well, I don't know. It's fun, it's exciting, and it's a little peekaboo. You never know what you're going to get. So this is 24 Days of Beauty that was received. I purchased it at Belk. So I thought I would just open each one of them up just to see what we get together. So we'll see. But if you plan on getting one for somebody or for yourself, just hold no high hopes. Just it's a fun thing to do. That's about it. So our first little hole that we have for the first, um, and sometimes people say, "Why don't you just open the side to slide out the tray?" Day one, we received a brush and a comb that shuts. So there you go. Hard plastic. Seems like it would be good for a man. Let's see. Day number 2. Ooh, it's a little bitty hole over here. Let's see. If I break a nail, my nail's going to cost more than the whole box cost. Wow. Day 2 is this little bitty pack of I don't know what. It really should come with directions. Let's see what it is. A bunch of these little things. Expandable. I guess they're little hair ties. Okay, so there's a whole little pack of these. That was in day 2. So if you use these little hair things, I have not even heard of those before, so that will be interesting. Okay, let's go to day 3, which is up here. Oh, I didn't get one of these last year. Okay, so I have a pink one. A nail brush. We have a black nail brush. Apparently they don't change out the ideas of their gifts. They just make them different colors. Okay, number 4 is a long skinny box over here. Let's see. There's no really good way to be, really prim and proper opening these things. Okay, because everybody should have a bunch of these handy. Nail clippers. So, Okay, she needs some nail clippers. Now we're going to go to box number 5. Over here. And it is... I have to laugh because it's like, I guess they know ones from last year are going to wear out, so they just give you the same thing in another one this year. Okay, I'm not going to break a nail, but it takes me a long time to grow these. It is a pencil sharpener. Here, there's a little lid on it. The lid comes off. Oh, there it comes. Okay. Anyway, it's a little pencil sharpener. So let's go to 6. How do I contain my excitement? Let's guess. Let's play the guessing game. I'm thinking this will probably be a nail file because of the length of it. And the one I got last year, not the same box or the same company, but the last one that I got was a nail file. So let's see if we're right here. It is a nail file. Much prettier than the one last year. And I always can use nail files. That's funny. That's funny. Okay, so we got a nail file, and that's pretty. Okay, we're going to go to day 7. Where is day 7? Okay, this day 7 over here, I think will be a cuticle. Let's guess. Cuticle tool. Let's see if we're right. Okay, we're not going to fight to get it out. There's your little cuticle tool. I hope I'm not ruining the fun for you. Let's find day 8. Day 8. A sponge? Old blotting papers. Oh, matches the nail file. Colorful. Blotting papers. I guess if you work up a sweat, is that what you do? I'm not really sure about blotting papers. Absorbs oil. Does not smudge. Travel friendly. That's what we want. We want travel friendly items in this pack. So blotting papers. Okay, day 9. Itty bitty tiny. Tiny. And last year, I got a little double-headed sponge. I'm not for sure what you use it for, but it's about this size, so let's check it out. Oh no, it's something totally different. And how cute are they? They're so tiny I can't hardly get them out. And you get 2 of them in this spot. 2 gifts. Alright. Little bitty tiny hair clips. So, we like those. They don't hold a lot of hair, but that's alright. Okay, day 10. We got down here. Not really for sure on a guess on this one. Oh, there's those little bitty sponges. And they really should come with directions. I do not know. I have no idea. What is this for? What is this for? These are the tiniest little things. Look at them. I mean, it's not Easter time. Just blot. More blotters. They're just so tiny. What do you do with them? Comment below. Let me know. Cute colors. Okay, what was that? 10? Let's look for 11. 11 is up here. Come on, toenail clippers. What do we have? Ooh. Better not travel with this on the plane. They may think I'm dangerous. Okay. This is a little plastic. What am I going to do with this? What? What am I going to do with this? Tell me. Tell me, what is that supposed to do? Is this going to brush my eyebrows? Is that what it does? Is that what that does? And this is more of a brush. That is the tiniest comb. I'm assuming eyebrows. I don't know. But anyway, that is something different I did not get. Okay, so let's go on to 12. 12 is a big box, a big haul. But you know how not all good things come in the big ones. Oh. And these are top of the line, girls. Okay. Eyelash curlers. Now, just saying, I know many people use these. They always pinch me in high school. I've never been a fan. Don't really need a pair because I got a pair last year. But if anybody needs them, let me know. I don't put my eyelashes in anything like that. I just can't. I'm a chicken. Okay, 12. We're halfway there. 12. 13's right here. Let's see what 13 brings us. I really should get... Maybe I could use a hefty tool that I received. No. I hope I don't break them. Okay. Oh. Now, I didn't get one of these. It is a bath bomb. Sure to set your lady parts afire. After you use these, you have to run to the store and get you an infection kit because that's what these things do. So be careful when you're using these little bath bombs. But cool. Doesn't smell, but that's okay. It's pretty. It's a heart. Wouldn't it be cool if that was candy and I just didn't know it? Okay, I doubt it. Let's go on to 14. 14 is so little, we don't know where it's at. Oh, here it is. 14. It's kind of a medium size. Let's see. Oh. If you watch my other videos, you know I'm not short on the brushes. Okay. I got a little brush, travel size. Okay, that's cool. Never can have too many of those. 15. 15. Anybody tell me where 15? Oh, it's up here, and it's long and skinny. Let's see if we can get 15 open. Does anybody save these boxes? Because mine's not going to be worth saving. Oh, tweezers. Let's see. Tweezers in case you need to pluck on the run. Tweezers. Always bring you comfort and joy there. Okay, let's go to number 16 is over here. Okay, it's a medium size. I'm really tearing this box up. Okay. I got one of these last year. Y'all have to tell me. What is it? My husband said maybe something for my hair. I have a lot of hair. I tried to put this in my hair, but I like to lost half of my hair. I have no clue. If you know what this is, let me know, because I have no idea. I know it's not going in my hair, because you see all those little bendy things? Yeah, it rips your hair out. So it's got to be something different. Baby bracelet. Ooh, I'm cool. Okay. Let's see. That was 16. So we're going to move on to 17. Ooh, he's kind of a medium size. Let's see. Ooh. I wear these out pretty fast, so it's a good thing. It's a little stone. Not for sure. Oh, it's a shine, smooth. Oh, step, polish and shine. Are these for your fingernails or your shoes? I had one from last year. It's still wrapped. I hadn't used it. Maybe for your nails, but it said step. Oh, step 1. Duh. Okay. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay. Got to be for the nails, not the feet, not the shoes. Okay. Let's move on real quick. 18. 18 is a long, skinny one. So let's chisel this bad boy open and see what we got. Okay. We have an extra mascara applicator, maybe? Unless you're, I guess maybe if they're stuck together or some sorts. And a little brush on the end. And then 19. Try to finish this up so I don't run out of time. This, you can never have too many of these. I have used these before. These are the bigger ones. That is a cool psychedelic color. Easy to apply makeup. I do have a few of these. Very cool. Okay. 20 is, why is 20 so hard to find? Here it is. Okay, 20 is kind of a medium size. Maybe it has another comb in it. Oh. I don't know what this is. It has some little soft bristles on the back side. Maybe you stick your finger in here. I don't really know what you do. Maybe you put something in it. If you know what this is, let me know. A buffer of some kind, maybe. Anyway, let me know. Okay. 21. Ooh, 21's a big one. Let's see what 21 has in it. Maybe sunglasses. I need some sunglasses. No. It is a washcloth. Makeup cloth. Very cuddly. I mean, you would score a Barbie blanket if you got one of these. Your child would love you if you could cover Barbie in this thing. Very, very soft. It's a good pack up and take on a trip thing. Okay, 22. Another really big box. Glasses. Ooh, Lord. Okay. We have an eye and a half. I don't have any of these. Right here. They are, somebody's trying to call me from Chicago. They are, I guess you put them in the refrigerator. Eye patches. It's kind of funny because they look green on screen, but they're actually pink. But it's very, very funny. So 2 of those. 23 is a medium size. This is a doozy. Saving the best for last, huh? What is this? Is it a makeup compact? Is it a mirror? We may never know. All right, let's see what this is. Or we may not. I think it's a mirror. A box of tricks. I am just not for sure I want to give a nail up for this. Oh, a mirror. A mirror. Okay, 24. 24 is a big one. Come on, sunglasses. You know you got some Ray-Bans in here or a pair of Coach. Let's see. Maybe into the Barbie blanket. Oh, this is cute. Not very stretchy. I have a big head. Anyway, very cute. Put this on to, it's either that or a halter for a very small person. But I believe it's a headband. Very cute. 24. Okay, it looks like the party's over. I hope you enjoyed it. It's got to go. No. Anyway, was it worth it? $25? Was it worth it? You saw the bling I got. So tell me, would you do it again? I don't know that I would. It was fun. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for my handbag haul for my cruise that we're taking. It's the end, the final haul for the Spoil Me for the year. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. See you soon.
I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly